In this video, we will show you what comes inside the AE2000 microscope package and guide you step by step through the correct setup of your new equipment. Inside the box, you will find the instruction manual, the microscope, along with all the included accessories, like the power cord, the eye cups, the objectives, the centering telescope and the condenser, the transformer, the stage inserts, the filters, the phase slider, the eyepieces, and a bag containing the dust cover, centering, and Allen keys, and another filter. With everything unpacked, we're ready to begin the setup. First, we will mount the condenser. Start by removing the condenser cover protector. Attach the condenser to the microscope body and secure it by tightening the screw with the Allen key. Next, remove the filter holder, place the desired filter inside, and return the holder to its position. Unscrew the protective caps from the nosepiece. Carefully take each objective from its case and mount it by rotating the nosepiece clockwise to access each slot. Usually, the objective should be placed in order, from the lowest to the highest magnification. For the metallic stage insert, locate the small pin underneath and fit it into the stage groove. Before inserting the phase slider, make sure the centering screws are facing forward. Slide it into the condenser slot, positioning it for the objective and technique you plan to use. If you want to learn more in depth how to use the phase contrast method with the AE2000 inverted microscope, make sure to watch our dedicated video. Remove the protective covers and insert the eyepieces into the eyepiece tubes. Finally, connect all the necessary power cables and plug the microscope into a general power socket. Your AE2000 microscope is now ready to use. We hope this unboxing and setup guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.